welcome back. I have another journal share for you today. This is the third journal that I made in my Christmas in July, and I'm excited to share this one. Has pieces of the lace and funny stuff stuck to it, but this is a fabric covered journal. My sorry silk is shedding right now, and this is made from a book page. It has lace covering the spine, a little embellishment. It has eyelet closure with sari silk as the ribbon. I put some fun little bell looking lace here in the front and in the back. Thought that was fun. And I use this really fun paper line that I picked up last year, and I just thought it was so pretty, and I wanted to make a journal, so here we are finally getting around to making it. So let's take a look. We have a little tuck spot with some tags, coffee dyed paper, just a little fabric embellishment, piece of vellum, some more of that beautiful paper from the paper line, mixed media tag, here's a journaling card, a tag and a journaling card, some more of the paper, old book page. Here I have two dangles. It says magic and there's a Tim Holtz bell. And then these are two of the tags that I made in the series. Let's try and get those in. It says Merry Christmas, and there's some matching greenery that came with the ephemera pack for this paper line. Here is a journaling card. Looks like it's upside down. There we go. And then another card. In the Christmas journals, I like to leave a lot of room for your pictures and your journaling for your documenting of December. So there's a lot of space for you to be able to do that. In the ephemera pack, it came with these really fun decorations, kind of like this first page, and so I just added them there. I thought that was really cute. More paper and vellum. Here's an embellishment we made in the series. Coffee dyed paper, tuck spot with a tag. Love those birds. Added another one. Here's a card with some reindeer and Santa. Another one of the tags that we made. This is another embellishment we made. The wraparound tag. More of that beautiful paper. I love it. So pretty. So pretty. This is a little scrap paper that I made, a little pad from some cut-offs. Sorry, I keep moving my my mat thing. This is an envelope that I've attached and I added a tag to. It has some ribbon and lace. Another beautiful page from the scrap paper. Here we have another bell and a pine cone. It says Season's Greetings. Another journaling card. Another card on this side. Here's another journaling card. Old music paper. Another tag. And a little tuck spot. Another journaling card, and here's the end. Yeah, pretty fun. So this would be the perfect size for documenting your December this year, or going back to last year. And this again is listed in my Etsy shop. If you have comments or questions, please let me know, and have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.